Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Honda CR-V versus Volkswagen Taos. We will explore key differences to help you decide which compact SUV best fits your lifestyle. We'll cover performance, interior features, and overall value. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of what each vehicle brings to the table, making your car buying journey much easier. Let's dive into the details and see how these two popular models stack up against each other. When it comes to getting around, both SUVs offer capable turbocharged engines. The Honda CR-V provides a bit more horsepower, giving it a slight edge in acceleration. However, the Volkswagen Taos often delivers slightly better highway fuel economy, which is great for longer trips. Both vehicles offer a smooth ride, but the Taos is known for its nimble handling, making it feel a bit more agile in urban environments. Your preference here might depend on whether you prioritize power or efficiency. Inside, both the CR-V and Taos prioritize comfort and connectivity. The Honda CR-V boasts more cargo room behind the rear seats, which is excellent for families or those needing extra storage. However, the Volkswagen Taos counters with a slightly more spacious feel for front passengers and an impressive available digital cockpit display. Both SUVs come equipped with essential smartphone integration, ensuring you stay connected on the go. It really comes down to whether you value maximum cargo capacity or advanced digital displays. Considering value, the Volkswagen Taos has a significantly lower starting price, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. It also offers a longer basic limited warranty, providing more peace of mind. The Honda CR-V, while pricier, often holds its resale value well and offers more standard cargo space. Ultimately, both are strong contenders in the compact SUV segment. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.